Josie here from Live at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here in my channel. Today I have a Walmart haul for you all. Okay, so I went to Walmart because I was trying to look for other items for my fall and winter decor, because again, it's still fall for another couple of months. So found this. It's only $5, and this is in the section where they sell the outdoor furniture. So this is supposed to be an outdoor pillow, to throw pillows. So for $5, I think it's a pretty good deal, and I like the fact that it has home in it and has some shiplap here, as well as this blue stands out for me, so it will work well in my scheme. Yeah, it has the traditional colors, and it is so soft. I love the ornaments section, but I tell you, the $1.98 is a great deal, and that's the reason why they're almost all gone. And mind you, this haul has been here for about a week now. Okay, I just didn't have the time to do it. I'm happy that I still lucked out and I found one. I could have purchased 3 of this, but this was the last piece. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. There's a tree on top, there's some lights here, there's a wreath here, there's a door, and all I need is the little red truck, right? So if I can find the red truck inexpensively, I'm probably gonna get that as well, so that it'll pull it. But I have an idea what I'm gonna do with this in case I don't have the red truck. I am gonna feature this in one of my DIYs that I'm gonna combine with my Dollar Tree items. So yeah, look at the details. There's a window, there's a door. Love it. This is a trailer home. You know, there's a tiny house movement, and I think this will do well also for tiny house fanatics, you know, for their decor. I love that. So I'm just gonna put that here along with my pumpkins. I like that. This as well, this is just $5.98 for 4 pieces, and I think this also came in rose gold, if I'm not mistaken, and silver, but this is more in the traditional gold color. I am going for the bling or glam or winter wonderland theme in the formal living and dining room areas. So I like this quality a lot because of this has the glass, and wonderful. So this one for $3.98, I think it's a little bit pricey compared to what you can get at the Dollar Tree for something somehow similar that you can just probably paint white. So I don't know, maybe I'm gonna return this, okay, because I hate to think that I paid $8 for these two. There's burlap, and there's some frost glitters on this plastic greenery here, and then a couple of small pine cones, and of course jute. Yeah, I like it. This one has already, it's a tree with the snowflakes, and this is $1.48, which is a good buy, and it has already clips. Using this for another centerpiece or decor. Oh, I'm loving this. Being a bird lover, I just cannot resist to buy this one, and this was just $1.97, and look at the detail. Look at this. This is a white bird, and this has a gray or silver hat with pine cone. I love it. And this can stand most probably, yeah. Well, if not, then I can include this in one of my DIYs. Again, I like that it's crisp and white. With the bird again, I like this feather. Isn't that cute? You cannot DIY the details, and it'll cost you more to DIY this. So $1.97 for this, guys, and it's made of plastic, kind of like this one, you know. But wow, I just so love this white, pure white pine cones, and these florals here are white, so it's like glistening with. There's a little bit of black or green there inside, so that's awesome. This one, they still have plenty of this as well as this one and the bird, but since I'm a bird lover, like I said, I couldn't resist this. And if you've seen the miniature house that my daughter and I put together, I'm going to be linking it up here so that you can watch that if you haven't already. We're into making miniatures, so this one I'm thinking, because it looks like a window, we could probably build it into one of our DIYs. So this is $1.97. So as a matter of fact, I'm probably gonna buy another one, but in a window, probably this is gonna be the main in the house. It's gonna be the main window, and then we're gonna put different panels that mimic this to create the other windows. Okay, so I love this also. Wow, that's pretty. Let me put aside my pumpkins. There we go. Isn't that pretty? It's another cute bird, and this is $1.97 as well. Look at this cute bird. It looks like a pumpkin. Punky looking bird. So yeah, look at this. Look at all my birds collection now. That is so pretty. So yeah, look at this. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Look at the detail. This is cottony when you feel it, and this is bunny, a winter bunny. Oh my gosh. And this is like the inside of a pine cone. They have one there, I think, with a deer. Not sure if they have one with the bird, but I like this bunny a lot. That is so nice. Just want to show you the detail up close. And this too is $1.97. I purchased this 4 in a pack for $1.98. The red trucks. Even with the white theme, you can break it up with some red trucks because they're so in right now. Okay, and they may show up in my crafting projects too, my crafting DIYs. Oh, and I love this one. How much is this? $7.98 for this 9 feet decorative fabric. They have different sizes there. There's one that's, I think, half the size for the same price. It's probably a little more materials there, but I like it wide. I'd rather just cut if I cannot have too wide, or rather than put two together. So I like this one a lot. And I'm going to use this as a layered to layer with something. And these are also $1.98. I tell you, if you want to embellish your chandelier, or if you want to buy some blings for your future projects, the Dollar Tree don't sell this type of blings or ornaments or accessories. So you can use this. You can just hang it on your chandelier too. I was thinking maybe our chandelier, I can just probably add a little bit more during the winter season. We're doing miniatures, $6.98 for a gazebo. Okay, because we build small houses out of carton boxes or recyclables, but what we don't have is a gazebo. Okay, so I think there are only 3 left, and I took one, and this is just $6.92. So let me just do a little bit of unboxing here for you. Oh, I could see it already. It's amazing, and it's fully assembled already. This is how it's going to look like. So yeah, that's going to be showing up in our mini community. Okay, so another item. This one I like. So there's one that says Noel and also Joy, but I like this piece a lot. And to be honest, it doesn't have to be just in the holidays that you will wish for peace and joy, right? So this can actually be used all year round. And I believe this one is $5.74. So that's made of wood, and this is metal. That's galvanized metal, and there are 2 clips. And it has this jute or rope to hang. A brush value pack. And these are 25 pieces. It even has those kind of mixers or applicators and brushes in different sizes. Purchased also this, which doesn't have a price as well. There are 10 pieces of foam applicators here. And I need dowels, so I purchased this one that's assorted in size. So these are 8 pieces in a pack made of real wood. And I also got this jumbo crab sticks. These are bigger than the jumbo crab sticks that the Dollar Tree sells. For stenciling, 2-inch letters, so the alphabet letters here. I got some chalks, 12 pieces in here. I got Gorilla wood glue. For an upcoming project, I would need something stronger. Because I'm using wood, I'd rather use wood glue. This one, actually, if you ring it, it's probably gonna cost only 41 cents a piece for this apple barrel paints. So these are all the colors. These are acrylic paints, craft paints. See all these shades here? So this is a dozen, okay? And then I purchased single one here of the matte acrylic white paint, and then the matte acrylic quick drying paint also that is in antique parchment. This is in white. This is antique parchment. And then I purchased these small jars of this Waverly chalk acrylic paint. So for my DIYs and projects. So there are some colors here that I'm going to try to experiment on as well. So this is actually a good buy. So if you are at Walmart, and you need to paint some of your DIY, especially a lot of crafters here like myself here on YouTube, love to paint to also economize, and these are amazing. So I also have some spray paints, but I didn't buy this time. But for craft paints and also chalk paints, Walmart is the place to be. So that's it. So that's it, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, so if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, click like, share, and also comment down below. Hope you all are having a great day. Talk to you again in my next video. Bye bye.